Up first this evening, 3 of 94 crew members on a vessel flying the Nicaraguan flag that was intercepted in Jamaican waters have been confirmed with malaria.
The 3 are now being treated at a medical facility in Kingston. But while that's being done, persons who came in contact with the crew members are concerned about their own health.
TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
A trip at sea by our news crew brought us close enough to the vessel, the Lady Alexandra, where some of the men appear to be in good spirits. 3 of the approximately 94 crew members are still in hospital and are being treated for malaria. The vessel was intercepted on Monday.
During an operation at sea, the JDF Coast Guard intercepted a vessel flying the Nicaraguan flag with about 94 members aboard fishing illegally in the Jamaican waters.
A special court sitting was held on Friday where the men pleaded guilty to illegal fishing and were charged a little over $25 million.
They had conch, and so the catch was confiscated. They also had sea cucumber on board, and that was confiscated.
The vessel with the remaining over 91 crew members is still docked in Port Royal.
Before we can take them to any facility, we have to get a particular document from the court's office so we can take them to the correctional facilities. We have not gotten that document yet, and so until we get the document and until they pay their fine, they'll be on that vessel.
While the vessel with the crew sits in Jamaican waters, it's the responsibility of the Jamaican government to see to their safety and to ensure that the crew is fed. Now that it has been confirmed that at least 3 members aboard the vessel are diagnosed with malaria, the different agencies who went on board to process the men, including members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, are now wondering if they have any reason to be concerned. Sources say police officers who come in contact with the crew daily fear they may be exposed to other viruses.
In treating with prisoners, members of the organization take precautions to ensure that we protect ourselves. At this time, I'm not aware that we're unduly concerned about any illness that the men may or may not have.
The Ministry of Health says they are not aware that there are any other illnesses on board the boat. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.